Here we take a look at strategy for solving fraction questions. When you follow this approach judiciously, you will get to the answers much faster. Say you are given a question like this. 1/3 of GMAT test takers are American. Of the American test takers, 3/4 sent scores to colleges. If the colleges received scores from half of all the test takers, what percent of scores received by colleges were from America? The best way to solve this question is by taking a multiple of the denominators 3, 4 and 2, which is 12. But first let's solve this using equations. Let the total number of test takers be x. Number of American test takers will be 1/3 of that, that is x by 3. The number of American test takers sending score will be 3/4 of that, that is 3 by 4 into x by 3. 3 cancels, we get x by 4. Now colleges received scores from half of all the test takers, therefore total test takers sending score would be x by 2. The percentage of American test takers sending score will be x by 4 divided by x by 2. X cancels, we get 2 by 4, which is half or 50%. Now this was still quite manageable, but let's take a look at doing this much easier. Let's suppose that the total number of test takers is 12, the lowest common multiple of the denominators, and therefore the number of American test takers becomes 1/3 of that, that is 4. Number of American test takers sending score is 3/4 of that, that is 3. And the total test takers sending score is going to be half of the total test taker, which is half of 12, giving us 6. Therefore the percent of American test takers is going to be 3 by 6 or half, that is 50%. B. As you can see, it's much easier to get to the numbers, especially if you are asked for something like a percent, if you take a lowest common multiple.